Well, it's Clickwise, yeah. And you love to call me Asante Clickwise because that's what the people know me to be. Because Asante Clickwise is a big brand that has been around for quite a long time in the entertainment industry. As far as I'm concerned, I started music in 1996 when I first did my rap, put my pen and paper, got my rap down, and then started performing on stages in where I came from, the golden city of Wasi. So, Clickwise is somebody who loves music. I was born with music because my daddy loved music, my mom loved music, and music has been part of my blood, you know. But just that I was having these issues of like, trying to get myself a career, something more. I don't know how to put it. They got this kind of thing that career, go to school, do this, be a professional, but thank God now I am a professional creator, professional innovator because I think, and when I think, I create what I want to create and it start going. As I'm creating a video right now for my friends, I have been doing music for quite a long time. Yes, and the problem has been that I have been waiting for my time, to come out to be with my people, to show them what I got for them. So I started uploading my music on social media, going on YouTube, Facebook, and other sites. People been loving that. It hasn't been easy, yeah. It hasn't been easy as an upcomer in Ghana, especially in part of Ghana where I come from, the Ashanti region. Mostly they try to get all this entertainment stuff into the capital cities, and people will want to move over there and try to get themselves published, But I try to concentrate and I try to do what I had to do before I would try chasing opportunities because sometimes opportunities will find you wherever you are. It depends on how you brand yourself, how you carry yourself, and that is basically what I have been trying to do. Spending some time, some years, creating my own brand, fixing up myself, and doing what is supposed to be done to get myself out there. I've been into showbiz for a while, events organizing. I started with shows like Miss Awareness, getting these fine ladies, giving them awards for what they can do, what they can show to the people. And it went on for some time. I got myself into radio, being on radio shows, producing and stuff like that. Yeah, because I am a radio presenter myself. I am a presenter, whether on TV or whether on radio, whether on a microphone. I do what I have to do. So basically, yes, I am a star. Because when you ask my people way back from Agri Memorial, way back